Hey everybody, this is Robin Taylor at Taylor Freelance, and I'm here to talk to you about what to do if your backstrap just doesn't fit. As it happens, Canik puts a couple of little holes in the back of the frame, and I think it's there to deal with expansion in the plastic. If they have too much mass in the plastic, and then the shrinkage from the plastic as such, it causes problems. So they put these big holes in the back. We're trying to put as much weight as possible in the gun, so we take advantage of these little holes to add lugs, corresponding lugs, that add more weight into the overall system. The problem is, Canik doesn't care about the position or size of these holes particularly. They can wander around a little bit from mold to mold, and it's a non-issue at Canik. But if they do that to you, and sometimes you'll put on a backstrap and it'll look like this. It just does, and it'll be springy and go up and down. It doesn't want to go up, doesn't want to go in properly. What's happening is there's not enough room between the lugs, and the lugs are pushing on this little strap that runs along between the two big holes. When it does that, you can force the backstrap on, and it will push that little skinny piece of plastic forward, getting in the way of the magazine, and now your mags don't want to go in properly, and it's very tight, and it's obviously the fit's bad. So I'm reproducing that with a Post-it note I've got stuck in here to make this springiness, to get the springiness from an ill-fitting backstrap, because I don't actually have an ill-fitting backstrap. I have a perfectly normal backstrap fitting on an earlier model of a gun than what you probably have. It's supposed to go on like this and just drop on, but if you have one that's going boing boing, here's how you fix it. If you look closely, on all our new backstraps, the lugs go parallel to each other for quite a distance until you get to the end. At the end, they curve in quite a bit to tighten up the fit and to make it possible for you to fit the backstrap to your specific gun. If you're getting the boing boing effect and it won't go in properly, take a little hand file or a Dremel tool or something and start taking a little bit of metal off of the points, and you'll see it when you get in there. There's distinct points here. You start taking a little bit of metal off either side, just right here at the points. See? And then check it. See if you still get the boing boing. You got to keep going. Okay, taking a few more passes off there until you reduce the size of these points at the end, until eventually it will drop on. It'll drop on without any of that boing boing function I was talking about earlier. So it's pretty straightforward. Takes a hand file, Dremel tool, something like that. Just take small amounts off and check it, small amounts off and check it until you get the fit you need. And that's it. Robin Taylor, Taylor Freelance.